MLA Kalyang Persha Voice of the People Party VPP na Not Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum hakalai po trik nailar. Ula penpau ka jing sngo kia halor ka jing penkala jaka thak jan ya ki jing kia railing haki benta jong ka surok kendailan. Habara ya kanika mat haga kenta bu jingkeli hapo ka yindor bar tauan. Uba Adelbert ula ong baka jing penkala jaka thak jan jingibriu ya ki jing kia nar haki surok hakendailan. Kadai kebela pentip haka arpo arterik upenai risau arazar kat kendai. Uloong baka ni kakam kadai ka ba sngo kia shibun bat kadai ka jing ijli ban pet kam tam baka kendai lat kadai ka jaka baki nongwan shangkai perthei na keleng ki juwan haba ki wan jungo syaka ni ka jela. Haba jubab halor kani usembut menteri rangba ka jela ubak kami yaktanat urban affairs ubak sngab halang dhar. Uloong bakam syam nadan satya kanu kanu ka jing ujor kabaki layok pediang halor kani ka benta. Henry, watla kata ula pentik kena ba un betha mardor ya ki opisar ban yoi ba an amdan kino ki ban pen kala jaka thak jan ha kini ki jingker ki balashna khnang na ka benta ka jing shngan jong ki pat ba nonglet nongwan.
No, sir. The railings are installed for the safety of the pedestrian. B. Does not arise in view at A above.
Beg me the reply through Honorable Minister. To you, Honorable Speaker, such a shock reply made by Honorable Minister. This is a serious issue. Let me seek a clarification from Honorable Minister. Okay, if you they're not aware about what question which has been put, so let me remind. I would like to get a clarification from you, Honorable Minister, that on the 22nd October 2024, that was recent months, 3 months back, all the stretch in between the Hotel 5-star and the assembly, they were putting, they were dry, the clothes has been dry all along the stretch. That
Please
was happening in the... Yes.
Time is very short.
It is very true, sir. I'll come to the exact question. Then the second, incident. It was happening on the 16 October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Kandailat, in the Kandailat, which erected with a long high mass. Sir, this thing happened. It was really an eyesore for the state, especially this location. There has been, from time to time, visitors from all across has been visited. So what will be the message from all these visitors, in regards with these things happen? I would like to get the clarification from you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today, there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure that my member from tomorrow, I will instruct my officer, I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the train.
No, that was we are expecting. So if that is the case, I may ask the Honorable Minister, what make you concerned to pass that order, please?
Because you raise these important issues today, you brought to the House. That is the reason it made concern, so that's why I have to play that now.
Is it because I'm raising this question? It's not that this thing happened, it sent a wrong message to the, outside the state. So in this regard, sir, if that is the case, you mean serious, then you know why I'm putting this question, because it's very important, as Kandailat is one of the important location for visitors. So let me get a clarification. If the Honorable concerned Minister is so concerned about this, about this incident, may I also ask the Honorable Minister, I would like to know from the Deputy Chief Minister whether the same can be done regarding the bigger trafficking that we see regularly taking place at Kandailat in evening till late night, especially on weekends? May I get assurance from you?
Mr. Speaker, I think that is totally different question. Anyway, since the matter is very important, we will examine the matter properly.